I like Dr. Scoville because, first of all, he makes me feel really comfortable when I come to him. I'm not nervous or anything, and the dentist is a scary thing for me and a lot of people, I think, and he just makes it really comfortable.
Coming to Dr. Ron has been kind of amazing. He's really gentle, and the pain was no factor at all.
Ron is an amazing person as well. I know that he cares about his patients, and he takes time to do what they need done.
I think Dr. Scoville is the best dentist that I have ever had. And that's coming from the heart, I mean that.
The procedures he does, I don't even feel any pain, and it's honestly turned the experience too. I kind of enjoy coming to the dentist.